Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for making 3D maze in Unity. Okay, we should take a look at this package. Kjero released this package 2 years ago, which called WFC Maze. You just need to download the zip file of this project and import the assets folder into your projects folder. I will share the link of this package in the description of this video. And after that, we can over here, WFC Maze. It's a maze builder scene. If you take a look at this part, we have maze builder and we have a module set, material, and the size of the maze. Okay, first we play the scene and we will see our maze has been generated beautifully here. Look at this. It is really good. But some parts are connected together, but some parts are not connected. Do you know why? Because in the maze builder we have module set. In the module set we have 3 different modules inside the modules folder here, and it says okay, no empty and all. For example, if we select no empty now and replay the scene, look at this. Now the all points are connected together. For example, these parts with these parts. Okay, and now if you want to change the size of the maze, for example 555, it will be faster and smaller. But if you take a look at this guy, this is really complicated and it takes time to generating the maze. For sure, it depends on your computer or your device performance, but for me it's ready now. But look at this, it's very beautiful. Actually, if you going inside this guy, it's really similar to Interstellar last scene. Yeah, it's 4D world. It's really beautiful. If you take a look at this, we can make any game or any animation scene in this part. However, we should change the material. Alright, let's come back to the maze builder and change the size to 10, 10, 10 here. And now in the material you can change the module material for this part. For example, I can say, okay, let's put my favorite color, green. Now, excellent. Look at this. Now we have a green maze. If we go inside, the better. That's kind of this part. Yes. Alright, but let's take a look at the modules inside here. For example, if we take a look at this one, we will have modules here with 6 elements. The first one, it's empty because it has to be the empty, but at the second one it is look at this mesh. So instead of this guy you can add any mesh you want actually. And for example, element 2, it is gate. It can be anything. For L, it is something like this, stairs, and stairs again. Okay, but the difference between this guy and this guy is no empty has just 4 elements and all has just 5 elements, but no T, look at this, it has 6 elements. For example, if we play the scene again, we will understand instead of these guys, for example these stairs or these objects, you can change the meshes here, and over this gate, part. I think this guy doesn't have gate, maybe for the another modules, But anyways, you can change the meshes and make your own matrix or own maze. Sorry. Okay. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.